Okay.
The Senzo murder trial is continuing at the High Court in Pretoria. Pinky from Vodacom is still on the dock, giving her testimony. Pinky gave the address of the crime scene, which is number 13511 Kutlanong Street, Vosloorus, and placed the towers on the record and said it's an overview of towers that was requested. There's spread view SGS that indicates the crime scene and all towers distances to crime scene. The spread view distance is 1.18 kilometers to the crime scene, which is Kutlanong Street. The next tower is Pakeng, which is 2.2 kilometer, and this Vosloorus Tower, which is 2.9 kilometer distance. And the physical address of spread view is 186 Ramakutlanong Park 197 Tobela Street, Katlehong, and Vosloorus Tower is 2.9 kilometers. It resides on 6125 Vosloorus Extension 1. The next one is Mseleka, 2.3 kilometer from the crime scene, and the address is 539 Mseleko Street, Vosloorus Square, 3.2 kilometers. Bayerman Vosloorus Road. Another one is Clinics Tower, 3.9 kilometers. Number 9 Sam Sally Section, 4.4 kilometers. 140 Samkelo Street. Katlehong. Orong Khotso, 4.5 kilometers. 6767 Poppy Street, Vosloorus. Boneko, 4.5 kilometer, and the address is 815 Ramakonopi, Katlehong. Tabontsako is 6.1 kilometer, address 11761 Klapi Street, extension 2 Togosa, Alberton. The next one is a Liden Friday, 12.5 kilometer at 8 Bilarum Crescent, Friday, Johannesburg. 13.9 kilometers at number 1 Bonsamaro Road, City Deep, Johannesburg South. P. Sonia, 14 kilometers, 31 Peter Akrot Avenue, Johannesburg South. After that, it's Heidelberg Road, 15.7 kilometers at 2 Vegas Road, City Deep, Johannesburg. There's Ben Rose, which is 16.5 kilometers at number 10 Adam Road, Ben Rose, Johannesburg. Belgravia, 17.3 kilometers at 31 Princess Street, Jeppestown, Johannesburg. Another one is Volhunter, 17.5 kilometer at number 12 Crowd Street, Volhunter, Johannesburg. There's also Moy Street, 18.6 kilometers, resides 19 Ho Street, City, Johannesburg. That's a take on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.